everyone, this is Ashima Shukla, your Current Affairs and Banking Awareness faculty on Entry platform. In this video, we'll be focusing our concern towards the main question among the banking students, specifically those who are preparing for mains examination, that is SBI Clerk Mains examination, which is soon to come up. So we'll be talking about that, about the current affairs section in particular, that is what to prepare, how many months to prepare, how can we go on with the preparation, how do we revise for a better aspect. All of that will be addressed, but before we go ahead, don't forget to like and share the session. Also, you can download Entry app from the link which is provided in the description section below for your better practice, because there you will be getting high quality mock tests and test series for your preparation, and that is going to boost your performance because all of them are free of cost and of very good quality. Starting with the discussion on the news events. Now, the first thing first, that being that how many months do we need to prepare? When we're talking about how many months we need to prepare, we keep it on a safer side that at least 4 months needs to be prepared. But those 4 months need to be the detailed months. In banking examination, first 4 months, that is from the examination month to the backwards, 4 months are very important, and therefore a very thorough current affairs discussion has to be in your head. And further 2 months, if we go back, that being the next 2 months, that is somewhere where you need to be updated, but you do not need to be that thorough with that. So we say about 6 months, out of which 4 months are very thorough. That is, if your examination is in the month of October, you need to prepare very thoroughly the months of September, August, July and June. And May and April need to be in a touch or a highlights form. That is going to be so far as for the analysis, that goes good. Now, second thing that comes is how do we prepare it? Now, normally when you're preparing for current affairs for banking examination, we suggest that you go from the time, that is, you do not stop your preparation for current affairs. You keep going with the preparation. You keep making notes. So if you have followed those tips and you have made your notes, then all you need to do is go to the revision and also give the tests or mocks which are concerned with current affairs, which you can find on Entry app. We have Everyday Live as well as various other quizzes for current affairs preparation for the level of examination. So we have on Entry app all the major question series and test series for your current affairs preparation, which will help you in your examination preparation, definitely. Second of all, what if you have not prepared and you are looking for, say, a quick revision of all through the months? Then you can attend our classes which are being conducted for the purpose of examination, where we'll be trying to cover as much as we can. Apart from that, you can go for monthly journals and everyday updates that have been made for the last 4 months on Entry app itself. There are PDFs available. You can go through that. They will help you in getting a grasp of all the information that you might need, and also go through the question series, because doing the questions is what makes you ensured about how to prepare, right? And what type of questions to expect. Knowing the questions is very important. Now, there are certain people who ask that, what are the important topics in the past months? So, first of all, a very important topic being Olympics and Paralympic Games. We are expecting that there might be a very high percentage chance that you will expect questions from Olympics and Paralympics. Apart from that, there have been various international awards that have been given out. So, look out for those. Books and authors, direct question, easy to cover up, and you need to have the whole list of the latest books because they are the most expected book section. Apart from that, apart from awards which we have covered, there is indexes. They have a very important role in our examination. You expect questions from the position of India, who released the ranking, details about the organization which released the ranking, and which country has topped, and if there is any other certain fact which is associated with it. Indexes hold a very important point. Leave no news related to State Bank of India. Any development in the last 4 months related to State Bank of India is is of primary importance for all of you. Apart from that, all the other banks, if there's any major highlight that has happened, then you need to go through that as well. And any changes in the banking sector, any new developments in the banking sector, in the insurance sector, all of these are also of primary importance. Major decisions in the national level, very important, but don't forget the international coverage because that is equally important in banking examinations. So as I told you, the first 4 months from the banking, that is important for thorough recap. Go through it, go through everyday PDFs that are provided to you on Entry app. And for the further 2 months, you can go for a highlight section, question practice, that would be fine. So with this, I'll be leaving you. But before we leave, don't forget to share the session. Don't forget to like the video. And do tell in the comment section if you have any other doubts regarding the topic. Have a good day and good luck with your preparations, all of you.